guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch with another tip for you guys that have an RV or a travel trailer. He has dual axles. This might be of interest to you. You know that when you park, no matter where you are, but particularly if you're on uneven ground, you should use some kind of a chock for the wheels so the trailer doesn't move. That's what they're for. And if you go into a typical RV store, they have all kinds of them. Every color, every shape, and so on. We have been using for many years is very simple. What's called the wheel chock. I really imagine that they probably sat up all night thinking of that name. Hey, Dad, wheel chock. This is a wheel chock. And it's very simple. You put it under the wheel like that. If it's downhill that way, you would put it there. If it's downhill that way, you would put it here, there. And very simply, jammed in like that, it just prevents the trailer from moving, from rolling, okay, which could be quite disastrous. And these are pretty common. They work really well. But that's all they do. It's like a stone. You could carry a brick around and do the same thing, a block of 2x4, whatever. A little while ago, and I'm a toys guy, as you know, I was looking and spotted this thing. God darn it, that looks really, really good. And so I bought it, and it has been really, really, how many reallys did I use? It has been really, really, really good. Anyway, so this is it. It's called the X-Chock. I don't know if it's any better than wheel chock, but it's the X-Chock. X-Chock. Made in the USA, RV products, and like that. I'll take a picture of this. I'm sure you can get this just about anywhere. So what's the big deal? Well, if you have dual axles, which many, many trailers do, certainly all the big trailers that I see you guys hauling around, wow. And it's very simple. You just simply slide the X-Chock into place like so, between the two wheels, and then using this special wrench, and when I say special, what I mean is it's made for the X-Chock, you simply turn it in the appropriate direction. And the X-Chock jams. It jams between the two wheels. It opens like a big X. Maybe that's where they got the name, huh? You see that? You can make it as tight as you want. Tight as you want. So it's jamming in there. Trust me, this trailer's going nowhere. You've jammed these two wheels together firmly. It's going to go nowhere at all. It's fantastic, and it's so quick and easy. There's no on the back, no underneath. If it rains, sometimes rain will soften up your wheel chocks and destabilize. It's a great idea. A handle on it, so easy. The little wrench, don't lose that. Put a thing on it to hook it right on there. And I don't know if you noticed down here. I'll take a close up. There's a wheel down here with holes in it. So what you can do is get a lock, just like this lock, not the same as this lock, because I don't want you to have the same key I do. The lock snaps on there. Take the key out. And now nobody can haul your trailer away. I guess nobody can steal your X-Chock either. Anyway, I thought it was a great idea. Obviously very firmly locks the dual axles, your wheels together, so the trailer cannot move, cannot be stolen, can't be hauled, can't roll, nothing, and a lock on it too. Can't get it off. Okay, don't lose the key. I guess you put the key with the wrench, wouldn't you, Di? All right, whatever. Anyway, there you go, the X-Chock. I thought it was a great idea. We've loved it. We've used it quite a bit. Working really, really well. Just a tip. I didn't know it existed. Now you do. Okay, Alec Peirce at the ranch. We're going traveling. Take care. Bye-bye.